Hello YouTube, my name is Shruti and you're watching Tickle Me Pink. In today's video, I'm going to talk about all of the things that I have been obsessed with in the month of April. Yes, I am jumping onto the bandwagon and doing monthly favorite videos because I have a tendency of obsessing over things profusely and it changes from month to month, so I thought it would be cool to share it with you guys. But I'm not only going to be talking about beauty or fashion favorites. I'm going to be talking about all of the things that I have loved in the month of April, and I'm going to try to do it a little bit differently. So if you like this video, then please do subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media to be updated with my video upload schedule. And now, let's get started. One of my absolute favorite shows this month has been 13 Reasons Why on Netflix. I think this show has touched upon so many important issues that are there in society right now. And even though there's been a lot of controversy with this show, I still think that it's really well made and it was just amazing. If you haven't watched it, you have to, because of the social message that this show gives out, and also because it has terrific actors and just a really gripping story. My favorite book this month is The Name of the Star by Maureen Johnson. Now, I think Maureen Johnson is one of the most amazing young adult fiction writers, and I read a few of her other books which are hardcore chick flick young adult fiction. And the reason why I picked this one up is because it has a Jack the Ripper twist to it. And I thought that was really interesting. So if you like the teenage horror movie genre, you will really like this book and I recommend it to you. My favorite snack of the month are these sugar crackers which I picked up at Godrej Nature's Basket. I discovered these at a friend's house where she served them with some coffee, and I could not stop eating them at her house. So I had to go out and hunt for where I could find these. These are just the most buttery, salty yet sweet crackers, and they are amazing. And I honestly have a problem, when I start eating these, I cannot stop. Now I have 3 beauty favorites of the month. The first one is the Benefit BB cream. Now I'm not huge on makeup, I don't like extremely heavy and cakey makeup. And because of that, I absolutely love the Benefit BB cream. What I like about this BB cream is that it has enough coverage to help cover up small blemishes on your face. Yet when you start sweating, it doesn't feel like your entire face and makeup is melting off, because it is extremely lightweight yet gives the right amount of coverage, and that is what I absolutely love about this BB cream. My next favorite of the month is the Forest Essential Rose and Honey Face Wash. This product has been my savior in the summer because every single time I've come home feeling sweaty, sticky and just absolutely tired, all I do is take a little bit of this and wash my face and feel instantly rejuvenated. And that is because of the lovely fragrance it has. This actually smells like roses and honey, and just a little bit of this on your face at the end of the day makes you feel super fresh and amazing. Speaking of fragrance, my favorite perfume of the month is L'Eau de Sea by Issey Miyake. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this is actually one of my all-time favorite perfumes ever. But in the summer, it comes at #1 on my list. Again, because of its super fresh fragrance. This fragrance is very watery, very fresh, and it has this water lily jasmine kind of fragrance, which is amazing. My fashion favorites of the month are these 2 items. The first one is this pair of distressed shorts. Let me try them on for you. These shorts are from the TRF section in Zara and I absolutely love them. They're not excessively toned, which is what I really like about them. They have only a very little distressed pattern going on. and because they're high waist, they are super comfortable, and I think styling them is really easy. Like, you can just wear a normal t-shirt to have a very casual look, or you can style it up by wearing maybe a more delicate t-shirt with a kimono to give it a slightly more stylish look. So I really like these. My next fashion favorite is this really beautiful flowy skirt. I think you must have seen this in my summer lookbook video, but I absolutely love it for the summer. Let me try it on for you. Now, this skirt I got from Forever 21, and I have to be honest with you guys, I bought this a few months ago, but I started wearing it a lot more in the summer months because it is so airy and just so flowy and comfortable, and I think you can easily style it with like a tank top or some oversized t-shirts to give a very, very like summery and cool look. So I really like this skirt. So yeah, those were my April favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments what are some of the things that you have been obsessed with in the month of April. And of course, do subscribe to my channel for weekly fashion and lifestyle videos. Bye!